open it. Whee! Open! Open! Surprise! Egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. Wow! All of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha. All she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice a wheel is missing. Now she won't have any chance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his way about. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high underwater, splashing a lot, very much all around.
Sing and dance to Cleo and Cuquin's music. Follow Cleo and Cuquin on Spotify and Apple Music. Let the fun begin!
Ouch! Huh? Big. Huh? Ah! Balls! Huh? Careful! Huh? Mine. Boo! Panda bag! Yellow ball. Huh? Oh. Oh, panda bag. Yay! Oh. Aha! Ha! Blue ball. Oh. Red ball. Aha! Big! Yay! Oh? Huh? Oh? Oh!
Peekaboo, boo, boo. Peekaboo, boo, boo. Peekaboo, boo, boo. Where are you? Daddy finger. Where are you? Peekaboo, boo, boo. peekaboo, where are you? Brother finger, where are you? Peekaboo, 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 peekaboo. Here I am, I love you. Peekaboo, 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 boo boo. Where are you? Baby finger, where